Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Dosanmo HDMI KVM switch, a device designed to simplify the lives of those juggling multiple computers with dual monitors. This particular model aims to provide a seamless experience, allowing users to control two computers using a single set of peripherals and two displays. The core function of this KVM switch is to enable the use of one mouse, one keyboard, and two monitors across two separate computers. The convenience of switching between systems without physically swapping cables is a major selling point. The Dosanmo KVM switch supports extended or duplicated displays, catering to different workflow preferences. However, it's crucial to note that dual monitor functionality requires both computers to support dual displays, and each computer needs to be connected to the KVM switch using both an HDMI cable and an HDMI USB combo cable. Switching between computers is made easy with two methods: button switching and hotkey switching. The physical buttons on the device offer a straightforward way to alternate between systems. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, the hotkey switching feature allows for quick transitions using scroll lock or control keys. It's worth mentioning that the hotkey function is only active when both the mouse and keyboard are connected to the designated KM ports. In terms of display quality, the Dosanmo KVM switch supports Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 Hz. The picture output is clear and detailed with vivid colors. The switch is also backwards compatible, ensuring it can be used with older devices and lower resolutions. Setting up the Dosanmo KVM switch requires careful attention to the cable connections. The two HDMI USB combo cables must be connected to the HD-INA and HD-INA ports. Incorrect connections may result in the device not functioning properly. Compatibility is another area where the Dosanmo KVM switch shines. It supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac OS. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile solution for users with diverse computing environments.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.